Hey there and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew and in today's video we're talking about how you can make money by doing research or case studies. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're a member of the consulting crew, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Let's get to it. As I said, welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. Today we're talking about how you can make money by doing research and case studies. I'm actually currently in the middle of a case study, well, about to be done really, on my blog. Now, how can you make money by doing research and case studies? Well, for instance, if I didn't feel like doing this myself, I could hire somebody like you to do it for me and then pay you to do that service. Now, it could be on a variety of different topics. It could be something that only lasts a day or two. It could be studying the analytics or the responses to a survey, or doing a case study on blogs or on website traffic, on YouTube analytics. There is a number of different things that you can do research and case studies on. For instance, as I said, I'm almost done doing a case study right now on my blog for Consult the Blind Guy, which if you're interested in checking it out, head on over to consulttheblindguy.com/blog, where you can get highly detailed information on over 100 ways for you to be able to start doing a business from home and ditch the 9-to-5 job. Now, what am I doing for my case study? Well, not too long ago, I started doing blog posts on all of these different topics that I'm covering now on this YouTube channel on my blog. I'm doing highly detailed information on the blog posts that are also within my book, Income Booster, which is available for sale. You can sign up to have information and discounts and updates sent to you down below as well. And what I'm doing is I'm looking at how many people are following the blog and how many people like those posts. This goes into the aspect of how a niche authority blog can help you gain followers and solidify yourself as an expert or an authority on your topic. And let me tell you, I was very surprised that in under 30 days so far, that I've already crossed 1,100 email notifications for people interacting with my blog. We're talking about hundreds of notifications just telling me that people are liking the blog posts or commenting on them. And then there's hundreds more for people who are now subscribed to the blog so they can see what the next post is on ways to be able to make money from home and online. Now, you could do research or case studies on a variety of topics, as I've said. For instance, you could charge somebody to do an ancestry research for them. They give you the basic information. You're the one that goes on to ancestry.com, for instance, or other genealogy sites, takes their information and looks up their family tree and figures out their family history. You could be somebody who is looking at the different ways that the Native American laws have changed since the early 1700s to now. You could be somebody that does research for military families on a relative that was enlisted and when they started, when they retired, what awards they received, and so forth while they were in the military. You can literally do research on just about anything and get paid for it. You can do case studies on just about anything as well and get paid for it. And this is just one of many, many options that you have to make money from home and online. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it helpful. If you have any questions, by all means, please feel free to drop them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Who knows? Maybe that question will be the topic of a future video. Until the next time, I hope you have a great day or evening. Stay safe and we'll see you in the next episode.